Just thought I'd show you this new additions I have for my riding in this heat. Don't know if you can see that there. Good crosser elbow protection. I got these from I think Interbikes. The only problem is it took it was a Knox, by the way. It took 6 days to turn up, mail order, which is an awful long time if you're after something in a hurry. They cost me $39.99 or something like that, just under 40 quid. And I would recommend anybody who's riding about with bare arms at the moment, because it is awfully hot, you know, and it's not as good as wearing leather with arm protection, but it's better than having nothing at all, because if you come off and your elbows get smashed, I mean you're done in. You know, it can really hamper you lifting your pint, or if you're like me, you play guitar, and if your elbow gets smashed, I mean it's gonna end that. Or even if you do a lot of wanking, you know, it's you need your elbows, you know. The other thing I got yesterday, I got these from Air Motorcycle Centre, and these are, I think they're fantastic. Now, I don't normally use gloves that have got this kind of protection, and I don't normally like it, but this is kind of a way. You don't feel it at all, you know. They're good. Raven. So these are the ones that Colin Nesbitt uses at Air Motorcycle Centre, the guy who owns it. So if he's using them, and he owns a store, they're not going to be that bad, are they? You know, that's his choice. But that's it anyway, so I'm just a little bit more protected, and hey, I can have my watch on display while I'm riding, which is quite a good thing, so I'll just try and pop that out, because I'm always racing against the clock. Story of my life at the moment. But anyway, yeah, I feel a tad safer. It won't last long if you're sliding down the road, but it's, you know, for that impact when you hit the road or whatever, it just gives you that little bit more protection. Another thing I like about these, hold on, is they look good and aggressive, and I like an aggressive look, especially when you're dealing with cars and stuff all the time. And it suits my personality. Not going to go around the inside of that. I don't know what's going on here. I know, but fast on you go. Just sitting out here so I can see more. Cover me horn. Ho ho! Nutty nutty! God damn. guy was slapping his head off. Oh, no. Just closing the door a little bit there. There's thunder in the clouds. Yeah, so all in all, I like my gloves. Well, in fact, I love my gloves because of the way that they're designed. Feel dead comfy. And I'm really happy I've got this elbow protection. This should be interesting. Not a good idea, girls. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Go a little bit further.